Yeah, what's going on, guys? What's going on? What's going on? Come on, let's do this. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. We got something here. This is a beautiful opportunity, man. I think we got this properly and we got it right. Look at something that is going on. Let me tell you one thing. We got eye in the market, man. We got eye in the market. We're in a box. You see the green box? You see the red box. Maybe I don't know what to do for you right now. Let me draw it properly so that you guys can understand what I'm saying. There is one box right here. Okay. Below it, there is another box right here. Right here. Okay. And let's say we were coming from here. Right? Okay. Now, I want to show you something. Look at this shape here. This shape. Look at this shape. How we've been coming from down here, rejected to the top, bounce back and reject. And we bounce here, it was rejected, and now we are here. Look at this shape. This shape is telling you that we are going to have a rally to the upside. Look at this shape. It's a big rejection shape of this pair. So what I did is that I was not able to see this properly as fast as possible. If I saw this as fast as possible, I would have opened a direct order immediately, But I tried to get it on this red bar here, but the broker does not give me that. So, this is the only place I can pen my order right now. So, what we do here, we penned our order right here, right now. I think this is the only place the broker can offer right now, 1.08555. Then, the end of this. The end of this is gonna be, let's say it's coming here. I think the end of this is gonna be around here, 1.09680. 1.09680. That's gonna be the end of that. 1.09680. That's gonna be the end of that game. Okay? So that is the range we want to trade from. We don't know about, maybe this is a 1 hour chart. We don't know if it breaks here. Maybe the 4 hour can pick it up and drag it, but after then, we'll come and look at it one more time and decide what to do. But right now, this is what we got. So take care. Thank you. Happy trading. Audnzd.